So guys, welcome back to my channel Bacha Tutorials. So in this video we are going to talk about why learn Python. Okay, Python is one of the most loved programming languages by developers, data scientists, software engineers and even hackers because of its flexibility and object-oriented programs. Many of the web and mobile application we enjoy today is because of Python's abundant libraries, various frameworks, vast collections of modules and file extensions. Not only that, Python is great for building micro projects to macro enterprise web services, as well as on supporting other types of programming languages. Although it's a high level language and can do complex tasks, Python is easy to learn and has a clean syntax. Therefore, it's recommendable for both beginners and experienced programs. Moving further, top 7 uses of Python. With its near perfection beauty, Python is named as one of the most top picked programming languages of most universities and industries. What makes it irresistible to its board applications, to other fields and limitless possibilities to create amazing things out of scratch. According to Tech Republic, Python developer is one of the most in-demand tech jobs of 2019. Number 1. Multiple programming paradigms. Second, web testing. Third, data extractions. Fourth, artificial intelligence and data science research. Fifth, web application and internet development. Sixth, database, easy access, interface, customization and quick system integration. 7th, cyber security. Okay guys, this was the top 7 job scopes for Python. Okay then, moving further, these are some companies which use Python. For example, Quora, Spotify, IBM, Pinterest, Instagram, YouTube, Yahoo, Google, Dropbox, Uber, etc. guys, etc. Moving further, I want to tell you something guys. Python has become most trending languages in a couple of years. As you can see, Python is number 1 with more share and trending. If a language is more trending, it's obvious that the salary is also high. So what guys think? What will be the salary of a Python developer? Eager to see the salary of an average Python developer? Let me show you guys. Shocked, huh? Yeah, actually, let me leave this part for you. Link is in the description guys. Go search for the Python developer's salary. It will not be so accurate, it will be an average thing, okay? Don't take it so seriously guys, and don't forget to watch this Python tutorials for absolute beginners. Watch like a playlist guys, remember my words. See, if you watch like a playlist, whatever you want to read will be beside you, okay? You can easily read. Link is in the description guys of the playlist. Go access it and watch my Python tutorials for absolute beginners, and follow my Instagram account guys. Link is in description guys. See guys, if you have any questions, send me to my Instagram account. Ending this video. Thank you.